Hi, in this video, I will show you how to control Microsoft Edge using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open Microsoft Edge on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone. But you can create your own widget for this or any other app with different functionality. I've included a link to a tutorial on creating your own widgets in the pinned comment. Keyboard Extension lets you switch between open tabs, create new ones, or close them. Thanks to the down and up buttons, you can browse website content without a keyboard or mouse. Zoom out to see more content on the screen, or zoom in to get a better view of all the elements. You can always return to the original page size with a single tap. Our widget also provides quick access to refresh the page and go to the home page. Within an open tab, you can go back or forward. To quickly search for information, tap the Find in Page button. The Escape button can cancel most actions, and the URL button highlights the address bar. In the Keyboard Extension, with a single tap, you can open the list of downloaded files, add a page to your favorites, or open the list of favorite pages. If you need to print the current page, tap the Print button, and it will open the Print Preview window. Improve your interaction with Microsoft Edge using Keyboard Extension.